What is up, guys? In today's video is just a quick one. I'm doing a maintenance on my truck, and it's a bit windy outside because there's a storm coming, but we'll try to beat the storm. So I'm changing a CV boot on my truck, as we'll be preparing a trip down to Macetown sometime soon. And this video I'm going to show you how to replace CV boot, and along the way is how to replace or to take out your CVs, so stay tuned. So I've got here a 96 Toyota Prado, and yeah, this will apply to most vehicles. There'll be some quite different variations, but at least you will have the idea. So as you remove the wheels, jack up the vehicle, of course, and secure it first before you work on the car. So here you go. Yeah, I have a temporary fix on that damaged boot, but yeah, we're going to replace it because that's no good. So step one is to remove this cover, and there will be a big nut here. You will undo that one, and you will remove your tie rod end to free it. At the same time, remove your ball joint nut as well, and this will free the hub, and you will have access to CV. So I got my dad will work on it as well. So undo this cotter pin and this locking mechanism. Yeah, and I forgot to mention, undo your calipers as well. So finally, we just removed the CV. So yeah, just secure your caliper as well. So there you have it, guys. This one's the damaged one. It's completely torn apart, and this is the new one. So yeah, I just forgot to mention, you will have to remove this circlip. This one, you will need a special tool or a circlip plier to able to remove the CV and replace the CV boot. So yeah, this is going back in. We have pre-packed it, bit of cleaning, and replaced it with a new grease. So this will go back in and job done. So this nut is just for the ball joint. It's pretty handy to have a thread locker and put some bit of the top, you know, just to secure this one, as you don't want this one to be undoing itself while you're driving. So in undoing your ball joint, you just need to remove a 14 mil bolts holding the ball joint. So we are running out of daylight. Oh, we ran out of daylight actually. So basically it's all done. We just need to secure all the stuff, like the brake lines, and secure all the bolts that you have undo. So for example, the caliper bolts, and the ball joint, the tie rod end, and yeah. So here are the tools that you need in doing a CV joint replacement, or for me it's just a CV boot. So it's just basic hand tools really. You just need a power bar, socket. For me, my Prado is a 36 mil, and 14 socket, and some various spanner. It's just 14 spanner, 17 mil, and circlip pliers, side cutters, and yeah, just bonus, this is pretty handy if you have, or if you can buy a rattle gun, it is pretty handy. And oh yes, I forgot to mention that ball joint remover as well. It's pretty handy, that one. So there you have it, guys. If you guys like this video, and for more videos like this, please don't forget to hit the like button, at the same time hit the subscribe button. So until next time, guys, see ya.